I'm Mike from Goodridge. I'm the engineering supervisor. Been there for 15 years now. We've come today to support the build of a 2022 turbo car. So the plan is to eventually plumb the whole car. Today we've done a few of the bits that we've been able to get to. So we've got all done in 910 hose, which is fuel oil compatible. All crimped on with fittings. We've done various different sizes of hoses for all the different applications. We've run some all the way through the length of the car, small little fiddly bits inside. We should be back to do the rest of it shortly.